Hello, and welcome to our Tween and Teen Kitchen Kit demo with the Public Library of Brookline. My name is Robin, and I'm a teen librarian at the Brookline Village Library. I'm here today to show you how to make your own popcorn taste test. Is this your first Public Library of Brookline to Go program? Here's how it works. Each month, the library is offering new take-home program kits, complete with everything you need to follow along and video or written instructions created by one of your local librarians. The best part? Absolutely no due dates. You can keep everything included in your kit. Visit brklib.com to go for a full list of our current kit offerings, and follow the link to find out about all of our kits, free to pick up at any library location. Now let's get cooking. For this month's kit, you're going to get some microwave popcorn, some bags so that you can help package up the different flavors, an assortment of sweet things to make a sweet popcorn that's a brown sugar and cinnamon popcorn with coconut oil, and then we'll have some olive oil, which will help you make some savory popcorn. So the first one will be a spicy cheese popcorn with all the spices and the cheese powder. And then the second one will be just a sprinkle, which is kind of Italian herbs and cheese seasoning. We also give you a bottle of hot sauce so you can make your popcorn a little spicier if you'd like to. And make sure that you have 3 big bowls so that you'll be able to mix your 3 different popcorns. You need a mixing bowl and a measuring spoon and a fork and another measuring bowl. You'll need some white sugar. This is a sugar bowl. And you'll need a mug that you can put some hot water in. So first you'll want to pop your popcorn. And if you have a microwave, you can go ahead and pop it like you normally would. And then once you've got your popcorn popped, you want to take your 3 bowls and you want to put all of the popcorn into the bowls. And you want to make it an even amount in each bowl so that you'll have enough popcorn for everyone to try all 3 flavors. So the first one we're going to mix for flavors is the spicy cheese popcorn. So this is a little bit like a Flamin' Hot level of spicing, although it's not going to be as spicy as Flamin' Hot. So first you just want to empty the cheese powder into the bowl, and then you want to add the complete bag of all of the spices. And you should have bags of paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So all of those should be in little bags in your kit. And you'll just need to make sure to get all the spices out of each bag. And then you just want to mix it with your fork to make sure that all the spices are combined. And then this is where you'll need your regular white sugar. You'll just need a half teaspoon of sugar to add to the cheese combination. Just a little bit of sweetness to combat the spice. And then mix it all together, and you're all set for that one. Now for the sweet combination, you're going to want to make sure that your coconut oil is liquid. So if it seems a little solid to you, then go ahead and use the mug and add some hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling. In fact, it shouldn't be boiling. But just add the coconut oil to the water so it'll heat up a little bit, and make sure that it's liquid for when you need to use it. And then you just want to empty all of the brown sugar packets into a small bowl. And mix it with the cinnamon that you also have. Make sure you get all the cinnamon. And then once the coconut oil is liquid, just snip off the top with a pair of scissors and add it to the cinnamon sugar that you've mixed. And this will make a coating for your popcorn. And the grains of the sugar won't dissolve completely into the oil, and that's fine. It'll add a little bit of a texture to the popcorn. And if you want to, if you have some extra brown sugar or white sugar, if you want it a little sweeter, then you can add another few teaspoons of either to the mixture, and that will still work. But you can also just leave it at this level, and this makes a nicely sweet popcorn, but it's not super sweet. Now, in order to coat the popcorn, you're going to need to give it some oil so that the powders that you've mixed will actually stick to the popcorn. So use the olive oil packet and drizzle it over the popcorn, and then mix it so that the oil coats the popcorn as best you can. And you'll probably lose a few popcorn kernels over the side, so make sure to do it on a clean counter, and you can always add them back in. And then just keep sprinkling the oil over the popcorn and keep mixing it. Once you've got a good coating on there, then you'll just want to sprinkle the cheese powder over the popcorn and mix it. And I would do a little bit of the powder at a time and then add a little more and keep mixing it, and then that way you'll get a good coating on all the different pieces of popcorn. And if you wanted to add hot sauce to the spicy popcorn, I would let either you can do that yourself if you want to kick it up a little bit, or you could leave it for people to add themselves to see what kind of hotness level they want for their popcorn. And for the second savory popcorn, the cheese sprinkle popcorn, then you'll just want to do the same thing. Add the olive oil to the second bowl, and then add the cheese powder directly from that bag. And this is a milder flavor. It's more herb related than spice, so you'll have a different flavor of cheese for this particular popcorn. And then finally, for your sweet popcorn, you just want to take the brown sugar drizzle that you've made and add it over the popcorn. This will drizzle rather than sprinkle, so you just want to make sure to mix it really thoroughly and make sure that the liquid sugar gets all over the popcorn and you get a little bit of sweetness on each kernel. So you may need to mix this one a little bit more and just make sure that it really sticks to the popcorn. And then once you've got all three flavors, you can use the popcorn bags that we have included in the kit to make some different bags of popcorn to share. And you can either label them if you'd like with each of the different flavors, or you can make them mysteries and let people try them out. And then you should be able to serve about 6 or 7 or 8 servings of popcorn, depending on how big you make them. And everyone will get a chance to try all the different flavors. So this is a pretty simple way to make 3 different flavors of popcorn, and we hope that you have fun trying the different flavors and seeing which one is your favorite. Thank you all so much for cooking with us today. We would love to see what you made with your kit, so please feel free to share your project with us on social media using the hashtag BRKLIB2Go. The Tween and Teen Kit program is generously sponsored by the Library Trustees and the Friends of the Brookline Public Library.